With Doubtnut, get instant video solutions to all your maths, physics, chemistry, and biology doubts. Just click the image of the question, crop the question, and get instant video solution. Download Doubtnut app today.
In this question, it has been stated that we are inserting a nail into the trunk of a tree at the height of 1 meter from the ground. Now we have to look at our given options and predict what the position of this nail is going to be if we make an observation 3 years after inserting this nail. Now, if we talk about growth in plants, it is of two types. First, we have our primary growth, and by primary growth we basically mean that the height of the plant is increasing, the axis is elongating. This kind of primary growth is because of primary meristematic tissues. Primary meristem, which is located, whether we are talking about the shoot system or the root system, this primary meristem will be found at the tip or the apex, and it will be called apical meristem. But the second kind of growth that is seen in plants is the secondary growth, and over here not the length but the thickness of the plant is increasing. The increase in girth is known as secondary growth, and it is caused due to secondary meristematic tissues which are cylindrical and are also known as lateral meristem or cambium. So over here what is going to happen is, if we insert a nail into the trunk, over the course of these 3 years both primary and secondary growth is going to take place. Now at first we inserted this nail at the height of 1 meter. Now our secondary growth is not going to change the height anyway, because secondary growth is not related to the height, only thickness is increasing, only girth is increasing because of secondary growth. So due to secondary growth there is going to be no increase in the height of the nail. And even when we look at the primary growth, now the height of the plant is increasing because of primary growth. Over the course of these 3 years, overall the plant will become tall, but this is because of the presence of apical meristem at the tip, at the apex of the shoot. And how this growth is taking place? Suppose this is our plant. We can say that it is branched in such a way. Now suppose during the beginning of our experiment, we are inserting the nail over here. What we are going to see is that whatever growth occurs, whatever increase in height occurs over these 3 years, it is going to be because of apical meristem found at the tip of the shoot, and therefore height is not going to increase overall, but new cells are continuously being added at the tip. The meristematic tissue at the tip, the apical meristem, is a site for active cell division, and the increase in height is because of this meristem found at the tip. So this portion where we have inserted the nail, it will remain at same height even after whatever long duration we make the observation. Why? Because height of plant is increasing due to addition of cells at the tip, and no such elongation is happening in this portion. So we will say, when we look at the given options, what we can say about this nail, it is going to remain at the same position even after 3 years, because secondary growth is increasing only the girth, and primary growth is occurring because of the apical meristem, which is located at the tip of the plant. So we had inserted the nail near the ground, and it is going to remain at the same height.
For class 6 to 12, IIT JEE and NEET level. Trusted by more than 5 crore students. Download Doubtnut app today.